Home-built aircraft, often referred to as amateur-built aircraft or kit planes, are constructed by individuals who are not professional builders. These aircraft can be built from scratch, using plans, or from assembly kits, without the supervision and quality control of a production certificate holder. In countries such as the United States, Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa, home-built aircraft can be licensed under the experimental category, according to FAA or similar local regulations. Builders must construct the aircraft primarily for their own education and recreation rather than for profit, although some limitations may apply. While many people might assume that home-built kit planes are of poor quality, if these planes are assembled with proper plans, tools, and thorough education, they can be high quality and safe to fly. Among the various kit airplanes available, here are the most affordable yet high-quality home-built kit airplanes. American legend MOAC. With an estimated completed price of $210,000 to $310,000, the American legend mother of all Cubs stands out on our list of affordable airplane kits, offering powerful performance and rugged good looks. This aircraft not only boasts a robust presence, but also delivers impressive capabilities, especially for enthusiasts of off-airport operations. The MOAC is a two-seater high-wing aircraft that echoes the classic Piper Cub style and feel, but with modern enhancements like increased power and advanced avionics options. In terms of performance, the MOAC holds its own. It features a powerful engine that delivers 208 horsepower, enabling exceptional short takeoff distances of less than 100 feet and landing distances of less than 260 feet. The engine also propels the aircraft to a top speed of 128 miles per hour, with a flying duration of 8 hours, thanks to its 40-gallon fuel tank. This makes the MOAC ideal for backcountry adventures or any challenging terrain. Building the MOAC takes roughly 2,000 hours and is a straightforward process, as the American Legend Aircraft Company provides a well-organized kit with high-quality components and a detailed instruction manual. While the cost of the MOAC kit is higher than some other options, its power, performance, and rugged charm often make it a worthwhile investment. Skyreach Bushcat. With an estimated base price below $100,000, this two-seater, South African-made light sport aircraft stands out for its easy assembly and low operating costs, making it an upcoming popular choice among budget-conscious kit builders. The Bushcat is available in tri-gear, tailwheel, and amphibian versions, allowing you to choose based on your comfort and preference. Its high-wing design offers excellent visibility, and the wide, comfortable cabin is a definite bonus for longer flights. Performance-wise, the Bushcat is a capable performer. With a cruise speed of around 100 knots and a range of 670 miles, combined with its short takeoff and landing capability, it can take you on diverse adventures. Whether you fly from prepared airfields, grass strips, or water, there is a Bushcat variant to suit your needs and personal choice. The Bushcat nose wheel is ideal for low-hour pilots who wish to operate in the standard configuration, or for those who primarily fly in and out of prepared asphalt runways. Each Bushcat variant is available as a factory-built special light sport aircraft, or as a home-built experimental light sport aircraft kit. Home-built kits require between 200 and 300 hours of assembly, while needing only standard tools and average DIY skills. Kitfox Series 7 Supersport. With an estimated price of around $165,000 for the complete plane, the Kitfox S7 Supersport delivers the thrill of building and owning a fun and safe aircraft that stands out in its class. With a useful load of up to 800 pounds, a 27-gallon fuel capacity, a 150-pound cargo capacity, and STOL performance, the Supersport is ready to take you where most planes can only dream of while still cruising cross-country comfortably. This American-made kit impresses with its adaptability and versatility. Its foldable wings can be folded within 15 minutes, making storage and transport easier and potentially saving on hangar fees. The build time for the Series 7 is manageable, at around 800 to 1,000 hours. The Supersport isn't just about easy building and storage, it also offers solid performance. Its impressive short takeoff and landing capability allows you to take off from even the roughest strips. It's equipped for serious cross-country cruising, with a cruising speed of around 100 knots, while using only 5 gallons of fuel per hour. From the cockpit, the Supersport offers excellent visibility, making your flights not only efficient, but also breathtakingly scenic. RAN's S21 Outbound. With an estimated price of around $74,000 for the kit, excluding avionics, RAN's S21 Outbound might be your perfect match if you're aiming for an affordable bush-flying plane. This two-seater kit from RAN's Designs strikes a balance between cost and functionality, making it a strong contender on the list of affordable quality airplane kits. It is designed for both cross-country travel and off-airport operations. It offers impressive short takeoff and landing performance, allowing for exciting backcountry adventures. It's equally capable of comfortable and efficient long-distance trips, with a cruise speed of around 110 knots and a range of 527 miles. It features an all-metal airframe, which is both durable and easier to repair than some other materials. Its high-wing design also provides excellent visibility, whether you're navigating tricky terrain or simply enjoying the scenery on a cross-country flight. However, its build time makes it stand out more, with most builders expected to complete the kit in about 500 to 800 hours, which is quite fast compared to other planes in its class. Van's RV9A. With an estimated price of $74,575 for a quick build kit, the RV9A is perfect for those seeking a relaxed flying experience without sacrificing the excitement of building your own aircraft. It's one of the most efficient long-distance kit planes, offering a range of over 875 miles at a speed of 170 miles per hour, making it an economical choice for long cross-country trips with its 36-gallon tank. This two-seat airplane is designed with the cross-country flyer in mind. The building process is straightforward, thanks to the high-quality materials and comprehensive instructions provided by Van's aircraft. The kit is well organized, and first-time builders can expect to complete the project within 2,000 hours. Glacier Sportsman 2+2. With an estimated price of $104,000 for a complete kit airframe with landing gear, the Sportsman's performance specifications compare favorably with other aircraft in its class that are priced several times higher. Unlike others, the Sportsman can be configured with either nose-wheel landing gear or rugged tailwheel gear, offering unique on-airport and off-airport operational capability. Whether for cross-country or backcountry flights, the Sportsman adapts to various flying conditions. The Sportsman 2+2, as its name suggests, can carry up to 4 people or extra cargo for long journeys. This adaptability in seating configuration makes it a popular choice among recreational pilots and adventurers alike. Another key selling point of the Glacier Sportsman 2+2 is its build time. With Glacier's 2 weeks to taxi program, builders can have the airframe ready to fly in just 2 weeks, though additional time will be needed for final finishing work and testing. Zenith CH-650B. The Zenith CH-650B is a second-generation light sport aircraft developed specifically for sport pilots. It is the latest model in the Zodiac line of aircraft from aeronautical engineer Chris Heinz, first introduced in 1984. This newest model offers updated features, including modern styling and a larger cabin area. Some of Zenith's enhancements include a stronger airframe, more engine choices, a new swept-back tail design, and an all-new canopy system with increased headroom, improved ventilation, better visibility, and added rollover protection. With an estimated price of $65,000 for nearly a complete plane, this two-seater is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a sporty cross-country aircraft without straining your wallet. The CH-650B is designed for cross-country flying with a cruise speed of around 120 knots and a range of 600 miles, making it a capable performer for long-distance trips. Its responsive handling and low-wing design contribute to a sportier flying experience, adding an element of fun to your flights. When it comes to building, Zenith has a reputation for creating kits that are straightforward to assemble, and the CH-650B is no exception. Its all-metal design is both durable and easy to work with, and most builders can expect to complete the kit in about 500 hours. HomeBuilt Aviation H5. With a total build cost ranging from $17,200 to $32,000, the HomeBuilt H5 is an American amateur-built aircraft designed by Maury Hummel and produced by HomeBuilt Aviation. The H5 features a cantilever low wing, a single-seat enclosed cockpit under a bubble canopy, fixed conventional landing gear with an optional tricycle gear configuration, and a single engine in tractor configuration. The H5 can be equipped with up to 21 gallons of fuel, allowing for a cruise speed between 100 and 130 miles per hour, making it the fastest kit plane in its fleet. The H5 is available as plans only, a partial kit, or a full parts kit. Most parts are pre-cut and pre-drilled, designed to make construction easy and streamlined for both new and experienced builders. Comp Air 6. With an estimated price of $327,000 for the complete airframe quick build kit, which requires 2,000 build hours, the Comp Air 6 by AeroComp is an excellent choice for those seeking a larger kit that still offers affordability. Inside the spacious cabin, you'll find room for up to 6 people, a rarity among kit planes. This makes the Comp Air 6 a fantastic option for larger families or those who often travel with friends. It is designed with bush flying in mind. With its powerful engine options and sturdy build, it can easily handle both paved runways and rugged off-airport operations. Its short takeoff and landing capability adds to its functionality, making it a reliable choice for varied flying conditions. Equipped with a 300 horsepower engine, it can take you and your family to dream destinations, cruising at over 170 knots with a range of 800 miles. The fixed landing gear enables the aircraft to carry a 2,000 pounds useful load into rugged terrain where retractable gear aircraft might struggle. While the Comp Air 6 is on the higher end of the affordable range, its space and versatility provide excellent value. Aeromarin LSA Merlin. Priced between $28,000 and $45,000, depending on the complexity of the panel and whether a builder's assistance program is selected. This single-seat light sport aircraft kit is an excellent choice for the solo aviator seeking an affordable and enjoyable flying experience. Compact, efficient, and built for fun, the Merlin is optimized for performance and handling, providing an engaging and responsive flying experience. Whether you're doing touch-and-go landings at your local airfield or exploring the countryside from above, the Merlin delivers. The aircraft's design simplifies construction, allowing most builders to complete their project in approximately 300 hours. This makes the Merlin one of the quickest builds in the light sport aircraft category. Pricing for the Merlin is among the most affordable in the kit aircraft market. The standard kit includes everything needed to build the airframe, and even when factoring in the cost of the engine and avionics, the overall investment remains modest compared to many other kits.